Welcome to another tutorial on the smoke program and some of its functions. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how do you request an examination from the Bureau of Fire Services Firefighter Training Division. Current courses that require an examination are any of the Firefighter series, Firefighter 1, Firefighter 2, or the combined Firefighter 1 and 2, Instructor 1, Instructor 2, the standalone Hazmat Responder Operations Program, as well as driver's training. Of these, the only course that does not require a training coordinator to be present for to administer the exam is driver's training. That's the example that we're going to use today. Information that you're going to need is actually your full course number, and we're going to demonstrate how do you access that in the system. So from your home page here in Smoke, after we've already logged in, again, open the Course Management button. Previously, we've used the Schedule Training function. What we're going to use this time is what's called the Search Training function. Same typical search field that you see when you log into Smoke. Let's make sure that we use the proper fiscal year. Please wait for that little blue highlight to disappear. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look by tracking number or entered by. We're going to use a previous course that we had registered, 0452, tracking number. That again is the last 4 digits of your course when you did your scheduled training function. Hit enter or the search button, and that's going to bring us out to where we're at. There are 2 different options in here to go ahead and look at your course number. First, you can go into options and edit. A faster way is to utilize this little expand or plus button right here. And lo and behold, now we have the entire course number available for us. So go ahead and keep that in your head. What we're going to do now is explain to you where you can go to get the exam request. So let's go ahead and open a browser. Within your browser, either from the address bar or if you open up a search like Google or etc., the fastest way to find us is to type in LARA space FFTD. Go ahead and search. You'll notice here LARA Firefighter Training Division. Go ahead and select that. This is the Firefighter Training Division main page. Some of the information that's contained here is very useful. It does have a shortcut to the Smoke login. It also has some Smoke frequently asked questions and guides. We have some additional forms and procedures, information regarding the Firefighter Training Council, and then for instructors, we have quite a few instructor resources. What we're looking for in the instructor resources is we're looking for the FFTD examination request. Let's go ahead and open that. I already have a version of this open on my computer. The information that you're going to need to enter. If it's a driver's training for the training coordinator, you can enter not applicable or NA. If it's any of the other exams, please select the training coordinator that is the proctor for your county. Please, we need the entire course number, not the name of the course, not just a tracking number. We need the entire course number as we demonstrated in the Smoke program. Who the instructor of record is, in other words, who's going to teach the class. Their daytime telephone number. Who the course manager is, in this case myself, their phone number. When is the exam? What time, where, and what facility. And then you'll note as we scroll through this particular form, we have a lot of options. In this case, we're going to go down to the bottom right-hand corner, select driver's training. If you were going to have a Firefighter 1 and 2 Academy, there's information you would need. For instance, if you've got 15 students in your academy, if you have retesters in your academy, you need to designate that as well. If you have somebody that is challenging your academy, and we'll discuss challenging at a later time. If you have somebody that has been approved for Americans with Disabilities Act for a reader for the exam, we need to know that. And then the total number of written exams and practical exams that you need. You're going to do that for each one of these fields, including potentially hazardous materials operations. Once you have this form completed, go ahead and save the form. It is a Word fillable document, and then you're going to email it into the Bureau using the following email. Go ahead and open a new message. And it says this on the form, but what we're looking for is Lara-BFS smoke at michigan.gov. In the subject line, exam request. You can fill in anything if you want to put a salutation or anything like that. And then please make sure that you attach your file that you're going to be using for the exam request. Okay, there's the exam request form, and then go ahead and press send. Once your request has been received by staff at the Firefighter Training Division, you will get some form of acknowledgement that we have it in our hands and that we will process it for shipping. Please remember that exams are shipped to the primary address of the course manager as listed within the SMOKE program. Again, we hope you find these videos informative. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to your region coordinator.